Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can make realistic looking images, how you can make a reference for your model, and then how you can actually make videos to post on your model's Instagram. This video is completely aimed at AI OFM, so if you're in this industry, I'd listen the fuck up, right? So to actually make a reference, the first thing you need to do is actually find a selfie, right? So you can go on Instagram, Pinterest, or online. We're going to find the image that you want to create, and then you're going to get a prompt for it. The reason why we get a prompt is because the legality behind that is absolutely fine. So what we're going to do is build a prompt, as you can see here, for our model so we can actually create a reference image. Right, so as you can see at the top here, I put the image in and then I put describe this image in a detailed text prompt, right? So what this is going to do is then give you a prompt. It's not going to give you a prompt based on her likeness. It's just going to give you a prompt based on the shape of everything, right? Once you got your detailed prompt, you're going to save that and then we're going to head over to a new chat so we can actually create our reference. So when you're in a new chat, you're going to click this little button here, click create image, and you're going to input your prompts. As soon as you do that, ChatGPT is going to work its magic and it's going to create you a reference. So using ChatGPT-Image-2 right now is super fucking good for high quality images. A lot of people use Nano Banana, and I use Nano Banana myself for a lot of things as well. But right now, this ChatGPT 2 is absolutely killing the game because it's so easy to use and it's also fucking free. Well, pretty much free. It costs 20 quid for a pro subscription. If you haven't got 20 quid to chuck out a fucking subscription, and I have no idea why you're trying to do this business. I want you to fully understand as well that these images are super easy to make now. So you can find information on how to make these images, but making money with these images is also down to the NSFW side to that. But because we're on YouTube, I'm not here to talk about that. So if you want to find more about that out, just click the link down below, join the school or Telegram so you can get more information about stuff like that. Right, so here's our image now. We've made that. Now we need to jump into actually making videos. So what type of videos should you be making? This is an example of an AI model. She is pushing a load of fucking views right now. So this video got 1 million views. This video got over 300,000 views. Well, I say she, it's some guy. Some guy's fucking running this model. So he's making fucking bread. So I'm going to show you these videos quickly. As you can see, they look super realistic and you can probably tell why they go viral, right? So the first thing to do is to get your video and then come to Gemini and put this exact prompt in, right? As soon as you do that, it's going to give you 2 prompts here that you can use for your model, right? Sometimes Gemini isn't going to work properly or give you enough detail. So what I've done, I've said describe it in more detail. It's given me in bullet points, and then I've turned them back into full prompts again, right? As soon as you've done this, you now have 2 prompts that you can create super high realistic images with, right? So save the first one. And now we're going to start up a new chat in ChatGPT, right? We're not going to continue on the same chat because it's just going to fucking bug it. So what you're going to do is click create image. You're going to put in the prompts that you got from Gemini, and then you're going to add in your model's reference. So as you can see here, I'm adding the image in now. As soon as you've added all 3 of these things, you can literally just click generate and it's going to make you an image. Right, now I've got my first image. I don't like the lighting on this, right? It looks a little bit too 4K for my liking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in a new prompt so I can change the lighting, and then ChatGPT is going to generate a new image. Add in something like you see here, and it's just going to generate you a new image, right? So while you're doing this, you can also start creating your second image. Right, as you can see, I've added a prompt in here, so the image is about to generate again. As you can see, I've created the first image that I need to create a video, right? So now all I'm going to do is repeat the same process again, just for the second image. But instead, this time, we're going to use this image as a reference. So you're going to head back to Gemini and we're going to save this second prompt that we got, right? But this time, as you can see at the bottom, it says 4K resolution, right? So I didn't spot that the first time. This time, instead of that, I'm just going to completely forget all of the lighting stuff because I've already set that up with the first image. That's why we're using it as a reference. So as you can see, a new chat again. I'm going to go to create image from the plus sign here, add in my reference from the last image we made, and then put recreate the exact go on the image with the second prompt from Gemini. As soon as you've done this, just click generate. Right, as you can see, I literally just got my second image. It's using 2 different poses. So now you're going to save both of these and head straight over to Kling AI. Right, so once you've signed up to Kling AI, this is what you're going to see. What you're going to do is click video generation. And then this is where you're going to be creating all your videos. So here you can do image generation, video generation, motion control, which is where you take someone's TikTok video, like a dance video, and you just use that to create for your world, right? But in this video, we're going to be using video generation. So the first step is to put in your first and second frame. As soon as you've added both of these images in, what you're going to need to do is add in a prompt. So what we're going to do to get a prompt is go back to Gemini. Once you're back in Gemini, what you're going to do is go to Gemini here in the same chat. And you're literally going to tell it to give you a prompt scene by scene of exact movements from the video, right? As soon as you do that, it's going to give you a prompt. What you're going to do as soon as you've got this prompt is we're going to save it, and then we're going to head to a new chat on ChatGPT. So as I said, you're going to go to Gemini, you're going to save that prompt, and at the bottom of it, you're going to add something like this, and then click generate. Right, so as you're going to see, it's giving me the full thing, but this has got the timings and shit on, so I don't want to do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tell it to make it in standard form. We didn't do that again, so I just said in text, not code, right? Now I've got the full prompt that I can put in Kling AI for all the movements. So I'm taking a viral video, breaking it down into prompts, and then using that again. So we're making viral content, right? So as soon as you've done this, you're going to take this prompt, head back to Kling AI. Right, so as you can see, we're back onto Kling AI video generation. At the bottom here, you're going to have a tab to actually control what happens, right? So this video was like 9 seconds long, so we're going to put it to 9 seconds, 1080p, do one output so you're not wasting credits, and then you're literally just going to pay 100 credits to generate this video, right? So as soon as you added in your first and last image that we made with ChatGPT, you're simply just going to add the prompt from Gemini. Let me move me out of the way for a second. Then you're going to sort out whatever time in the video is. So I'm going to put it to 8 seconds. You're going to put it on 1080 and you're just going to do one number of outcome, right? As soon as you've done that, it's going to cost you 96 credits to generate. Cheap as fuck. Right, so here is the final video, right? I'm going to mute it because it fucks up the mic, right? But the video looks super realistic, and obviously I've just made this from ChatGPT and using Kling, right? Again, first and last frame. This is another example of me doing the exact same thing, right? So she's playing with her hair, she's moving the camera. You can clip things like this together so you can make a full first trap, or you can just do them even longer so you can have a full one video. Right, so this is what I'm doing every single time. So first and last scene of the video, you're putting them in with a prompt from a viral video you've already seen, and then you can create viral content for your model over and over and over again, right? This is exactly what we're doing to make these videos. If you want to make high quality videos in AI OFM for your model, this is what we're fucking doing, right? It's pretty simple. If you want to get more help than just these videos, this is literally about 5% of the business, right? Creating content is just a small part of the business. So if you want to get more help, I've got a full school community where we're all fucking helping each other. We're all making money. If you want to join that, the link's below. Or if you want to join my free Telegram, join that as well. I'll catch you in the next video.